Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm your host, Julie Brown, the Warren County 4-H Youth Development Agent. And this morning we are talking about making some Halloween treats that you can make at home. Right now during the pandemic, we really are not having those Halloween parties that kids can go to. So why not make some fun Halloween treats at home? Get your kids involved in the kitchen with you. We're going to make a Frankenstein wrap and then a ghost pizza. So let's get started with our Frankenstein wrap. So you're going to start out with a creamy chicken salad. That you're going to make. The recipes are available at your local extension office. So with this, you're going to have a half a pound of cooked chicken, or either you can do 3 cans of chicken as well. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of slivered almonds, a half cup of Greek yogurt, 3 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of dill, and then 2 medium cucumbers. You're going to slice those and also de-seed them as well. And then 1 cup of dried cranberries. So with that, with your chicken, if you're using just chicken breast, go ahead and marinate that in that lemon juice and cook that up till it's completely cool and cooked, and then cool it. Same thing with your sliced almonds in a different pan. Toast those almonds and let those cool. So in a bowl, you're going to mix together the Greek yogurt, the cream cheese, the Dijon mustard, your salt, pepper, and your dill. You're going to add in that chicken, and you're going to stir that all together. And then next you'll add in your cucumbers, your cranberries, and your almonds. And then you just mix that all together, and you're going to have this nice mixture of a chicken salad. So get you a nice little scoop that you're going to put out on a tortilla. I would prefer if you would do the spinach tortilla so you can make your little green Frankensteins. So get you about a scoop out and put it in the center of your tortilla. You may need to kind of spread that out a little bit as well. And then you're going to wrap this kind of like you do a Christmas present. So you're going to start with the 2 sides facing away from you, and then turn it and then kind of tuck in your corners on both sides. And then you're going to flip that over, and you're going to have a nice little wrap. Then you're going to get toothpicks, and you're going to start with 2 olives with the pimentos in them, and they're going to go on the side of your Frankenstein, and you're just going to poke those in. And then while you're doing this is something real easy that kids can do no matter their ages. Even the 3-year-old, she could poke those in. And then you're going to take your olives, and this is where parents, you're going to need assistance, is you're going to slice up one of those olives to make their eyeballs. So you just need to do a couple of slices of your pimentos to make their eyeballs. Make sure you do the bear claw to keep your fingers out of the way. Add those in. You're also going to want to take little sweet pickles, and this is where you're going to make your nose, and then you're also going to make your eyebrows for your Frankenstein. So slice that pickle in half lengthwise, and then slice it in half again. And then with that, you're going to want to slice that in the middle, and you're going to come up with its 2 little eyebrows that you're going to put on your Frankenstein. The little slice on the end will make a perfect little nose for your Frankenstein. And then with sharp cheddar cheese, you do a little zigzag at the top to make like his hair. And then get you another little piece so that you can make his mouth. So you can do the little crisscross in his mouth. Slice that in half. And then take another little slice of crisscross across the top to make the... And you're going to have your little Frankenstein wrap for your kids to enjoy. So the other item that we're going to do is going to be our ghost pizza. So get you a prepared pizza crust, or you can make it yourself, however you wish. Bake that in the oven at the desired temperature on the package. And you're also going to want to go ahead and put a half a cup of pizza sauce on there. So with that, after it comes out of the oven, what you're going to want to do while that is baking is you're going to want to go ahead and use some mozzarella cheese into like little ghosts. So you slice those, you'll add those to your pizza, however you wish. Then you're going to need olives. So both black and green olives, and you'll slice those in half. And that'll be the main part of your spider. And then you'll just do little thin slices across it as well. And you'll add in their legs. So if you have any other ideas or questions about programs at the Warren County Extension Office, please feel free to contact us at 270-842-1681. Thanks and have a great day.